Hello viewers and my dear students, welcome you all on my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss Article 16 of Indian Constitution. In our previous lecture we discussed the Article 15 of Indian Constitution, which provides the no discrimination on the ground of religion, race, caste, sex and place of birth. Now we will discuss Article 16 of Indian Constitution. Article 16 provides Article 16 is extension of Article 14 itself. Article 16 provides seven-fold grounds. Article 15 provides five-fold grounds, whereas Article 16 provides five-fold grounds on which the state shall not discriminate on the religion, race, caste, sex, place of birth, descent and residence. So these two folds or criteria were inserted under Article 16 of Indian Constitution, that is descent and residence. Equality doesn't mean sameness. Equality is available among equals only. Reasonable classification is allowed. So Article 16 of Indian Constitution is also very important because it also provides that the state shall not discriminate among the Indian citizens on the basis of these sevenfold grounds: religion, race, caste, sex, place of birth and descent and residence. Article 16 clause 1 provides these are the sevenfold grounds on which the state shall not discriminate. Any of be neglected or discriminated in respect of employment or office under the state. Particularly Article 16 provides that the equality of opportunity in the matters of public employment. Every Indian citizen shall be given an equal opportunity to be in employment of state, and the state shall not discriminate among the Indian citizens on this religion, race, caste, sex, descent and place of birth and residence, because it provides a discriminatory treatment and every Indian is entitled to the public employment. Article 16 provides it. Nothing in this article shall prevent the Parliament from making any special law prescribing in regard to class or classes of in employment or in appointment. State can make provisions for reservation for class if it is not adequately represented in services under the state. State can make provisions for reservation in promotion. So Article 16 provides a very important fundamental right to every Indian citizen that they can be considered for employment under the state, and state shall provide it. Articles 4a, which provides that the reservation in promotion is also available, but now the judgment has came recently where it was struck down by the Supreme Court of India. Article 16 provides that the where 93rd Amendment Act 2005 inserted a clause whereby the state can make special provisions for law for advancement of any socially and educationally backward classes of citizens or for SC and ST. So special provisions can be made for the scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. Now friends, we will discuss some important landmark judgments of Supreme Court of India regarding the Article 16 of Indian Constitution. As Article 16 provides the equality of opportunity in the public employment. T. Devadasan versus Union of India, AIR 1964. Carry forward rule was struck down by Supreme Court of India. 45 seats were reserved for backward category students in admission to MPS course. So the carry forward rule, which was applicable, it was struck down by the Supreme Court of India in this case, and it was held that it will hamper the merit of the case. Janaki Prasad versus State of Jammu and Kashmir, AIR 1973. Supreme Court of India held that poverty cannot be a ground for reservation. It means that the reservation which is provided under employment is on the ground of socially and educationally backward classes. Means those classes of Indian society which are socially plus educationally backward are entitled to reservation, and poverty or economic condition of the people is not a ground for reservation. D.N. Chanchala versus State of Karnataka. The university-wise admissions were given to on the basis of 70-30 formula. Supreme Court of India upheld the reservation. We discussed this case in our earlier lecture, that is Article 15 of Indian Constitution. Indira Sahni versus Union of India, AIR 1993. Supreme Court of India laid down the principle of creamy layer for the other backward classes. So Supreme Court of India came out with a different notion, that is a non-creamy layer and creamy layer. So the persons who are other backward classes, they are divided into these two categories. Creamy layer persons are barred from taking the benefit of reservation, whereas non-criminal students are entitled to reservation. Today 8 lakh rupee is a income which is applicable to non-criminal. If a person whose income is below 8 lakh rupees, he is entitled for reservation under OBC category, but if the income is exceed up to above the 8 lakh rupees, then he is not entitled to such reservation. Valsamma Paul versus Cochin University. Supreme Court of India held that the Valsamma Paul is not socially backward, hence she can't claim reservation. In this case, what happened? Upper strata girl was married to a lower strata boy, and she claimed the reservation on the basis of the caste of her husband, but it was not a valid ground for reservation, because she may be educationally backward but she was not socially backward, hence she is not fulfilling the criteria which is mentioned under section 16(4) of Indian Constitution, and it is a violation of article 16 of Indian Constitution. In Mukesh Kumar versus State of Uttarakhand, 7th February 2020. This is a very recent judgment of Supreme Court of India regarding the reservation in promotion in employment is not a fundamental right of Indian citizen. It is state's discretion to provide reservation in promotion, and Supreme Court of India flatly refused to give the directions to state, where the state may give the reservation, may not provide the reservation to in promotion particularly. And this is very landmark judgment, recent judgment of Supreme Court of India on reservation in promotion. So thank you friends for your patience listening. If you like this video, please share it with your friends. Thank you.